Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Ngut ki Kyrtong ki ban aireng hak election siya kiyang dorba tawan chong gejala ki bagentup na Ranikor constituency kila Thep Kyrteng na kabenta banyakun hak ni election. Kila Ngut ki Kyrtong ki bala Thep Kyrteng banyakun na Ranikor constituency kilong tingsim and mumin uban aireng na All India Trinamool Congress. Ubishi teru hajong bat uba savyo pi dakhar ki banyakun kum ki Kyrtong independent. Kat hadu menta ke nyu terik rumpang arajar arfulai. Barok ki Kyrtong ki bala Thep Kyrteng na Ranikor constituency kilong khandai Ngut bat nyu Ngut na mau kerwat constituency.
Now I want to contest election because this Ranikor constituency is very backward in the field of education. In the health center like hospital dispensary is very bad, and this like agriculture, in the sector of agriculture also not good. It's very poor, and that one what's called that like very because when we get the education in the Ranikor constituency, then only it will develop, because education give knowledge, and that when we will get the knowledge, then people will be already they will develop. Because in Ranikor constituency there is no higher secondary school and no college. That's why we are very undeveloped. Better when I pass this means MLA, then first I'll do that. I'll bring that college, higher secondary, then I'll develop this agriculture sector and this horticultures, and so many others issues are there, like road communication also not good, and this like network also not so good. There where we are not getting internet, they are not getting this like 4G. It is very difficult for us for internet, because I try in BCP in the I supposed to get that BCP ticket also, but they have rejected me in the last moment, because already I have done so many work in the field of the BCP, and many people they like me and I have done many villages. I have conducted many meetings in the party of BCP, but last moment they have rejected me in the last moment. But I'm very sad for that, no problem, but still I want to contest, because I want to serve to the people of the Ranikor constituency, and I want to bring development for the Ranikor constituency. That is God. I'm very promise for the public, and public also they like me. If I contest election independent also, I'll be success, because I hope that, I believe that, and I believe to the public also, and my supporters, they love me, they support me, and I hope that I'll success.
Yang kani election menyakun kadai baik ningkong fast ngawan rai kani ke TMC makwa ban roi ban par ka imang salang koi ka kia kadong ka than khamtam ka Ranikor konsi hari pause kidon gini kam kijam bang idon jengthut jengwit pat ban kra yang i ka bai sniu tengam kwa bangan poi ka bai sniu ban ngalam mi ki paiba ha ka jingjot bat ka jing long sakri jong no pan long tong jong no han rei menta ngami na ke TMC pan yang kum Kyrtong simet jong ka independent kenang man yo kata man yo ka jing lai lut ka bakut ka basuba ka batikna pasirta ka jelawi jong ki jai pan riu baro khamtam ki ba tangkha tangpun na he tangsan akwa ban yang no rem la ka jong ti kejat jongki om dei ban lek sakri haying jong nur jong no na kaliang jonga ko pai ba map yang bangala ka kanbas CP ban ngala pentip CP hakini ki banai ki bladep kum ku Kyrtong jong TMC hari na perkat kilai yang kalat 20 bangan trihok duduk usuk urang li juki ukup siliang sem siliang han rei endang lalap kalong bunman kumbangi le business penban tei nak tagadau ko pajba to pej pi so pinjit yano rianu uno Kyrtong ne kaparti to danyo pada theo khang pan pinyo pan laj naka jing sitom pat ke jing long sakri long merau hano re hano lada ki paiba ki stu pan ki laj nak kinyo baro ngadon ke jing kermen abang ngalamut pangan syong mangaladu jing kermen mangan yo ka tiket ne pan ngan yo fai nim mission Henry ki paiba kim ailat yang pangan syong kim ailat kiong yang kumapiu de urang terwa urang kansai urang geri urang pawar to ya lam yangi sia ka jingsai te kata kadau ngayeng biang
to anga da lo inone ba mokwat distribution menanga Ranikor area 30 years ongjok bersih kolasi rong ongjok liba mamu development dongja saksa school nok rama jalang mamung ba dongja uni gemen anga kangkari kai antang dalo anga Ranikor 35 konstituo Kyrteng meni gemang asong jatna public na nama kamko dakchina ar nama ko anga kagen uni gemen anga dalo kangkari kai aro anga bersih kolasi mang donga anga ya meba Ranikor konstituo uni gemen anga dalo Ranikor konstituo Kyrteng anga kangkari kai amena anga chonori jangi thonga tau geta MLA bersih kolasi ongpuljok uni kosebo da mamung develop dongja school ba dongja rama jalang dongja ICS MCS officer ba dongja saksa okil ba dongja after 30 years mamung dongja development uni ko rama jalang tharema mena border area mandi de kali business ka ba dongja qualification ko mandi dongja uni ko man barang chiwali chagpa mandi san banga uni ko ya ko anga nami dakna ar nami string kana ar nami khamko kana ni anga dalo kangkari kai Ranikor 35 Ranikor anga Kyrteng. Thank you.